Good evening, dear 11th class students. I am Mrs. Parvati, PGT Physics, Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Again, I am here with the differentiation topic only. Suppose if the y value depends on two terms, a single term is there. We have done so many examples, 6 to 7 examples in the last episode. Right? So, suppose if the y value depends on two terms, for example, x square plus sin x. How do we differentiate? Or x cube minus cos x. Two terms are there, not single term. How do we differentiate? So for that there is a rule. That rule we are going to study. Right? So d by d, if suppose if y is equal to in the form of u plus or minus v, if it is plus v also or minus v also, only the sign will change. The formula will remain same. It is very simple. Okay. So with the example only we could study here. If y is equal to u plus or minus v, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. Means you differentiate u first, then whatever sign is given in the problem that write down, then differentiate the second term and add up or subtract it, whatever is given in the problem here. Very simple. Okay, for addition and subtraction of two functions, that is two terms, u plus or minus v, first differentiate the first term, then plus or minus differentiate the second term. Got it? So let us solve one example. So for each rule, let us take two examples and we will solve in detail here. Okay. So here, y is equal to u plus v, plus or minus v. Then find dy by dx. d by dx of u plus or minus v is first du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. First you differentiate u, then apply the sign. If it is plus है तो plus करिए, minus है तो minus लगा दीजिए आप, ठीक है? Then dv by dx. Got it? Okay. Let us solve an example. For example, differentiate y is equal to x cube plus or minus sin x with respect to x. Differentiate. Like this, if you get the problem, how do we solve? Here u is x cube and v is sin x. So y is equal to u plus or minus v. dy by dx is dy dx of u plus or minus dv by dx of dv by dx. Then d by dx of x cube plus or minus d by dx of sin x. What is the value of x cube? You know it. Nx to the power of n minus 1. That is power into x raised to 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2 here. So 3x square plus or minus d by dx of sin x is cos x. I told you those 10 formulae you have to remember. 9 formulae. Okay. Next. Second example. Y is equal to log x plus cos x. Find dy by dx. Here u is log x and v is cos x. Then how do we differentiate d by dx of first log x plus d by dx of cos x? What is d by dx of log x is 1 by x formula, and d by dx of cos x is minus sin x here. Got it? Minus sin x here. So in this way we are going to solve the problems. It's clear? So for plus or minus, even though if it is plus or minus here, let it be the sign as it is. First differentiate the first term, then differentiate the second term and add up or subtract according to the question given here. It's clear to all? Okay. Moving to the next rule, very, very important. We use it in physics also. That is product rule. What is product rule? Suppose if y is equal to u into y, u into v. In last example, we have done u plus v. Now u into v. If it is u into v, then how can you solve it? How can you differentiate it? There is a rule for that. That rule we call it as product rule. Product rule. How? Nothing, very, very simple. First uv you are taking, product u into v. First you keep constant u consider as a constant. Don't differentiate it. Differentiate the second one, that is v. u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Got it? Once again, the first one keep it as constant and differentiate the second one. Then plus second one you keep it as constant, differentiate the first one. Very simple. So I read the formula is d by dx of uv is given by u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Right? Okay. So let us study in detail with the help of an example. Okay. For that, see here, second rule here, product rule. If y is equal to uv, then dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Okay. So example, y is equal to x raised to minus 2 cos x. Find dy by dx. How can you solve it? This is u and this is v. U into v. So how do you solve? D by dx of uv is given by u dv by dx plus v du by dx. What is the value of u? X raised to minus 2 d by dx of cos x plus cos x, v is equal to cos x into d by dx of x raised to minus 2. Okay. Then we will write here first x raised to minus 2 only. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x, we have written here, plus cos x v d by dx of x raised to minus 2 nx to the power of n minus 1. What is the value of n? Minus 2 into x raised to minus 2 minus 1. What is minus 2 minus 1? Minus 3 here. So we write dy by dx is given by minus x raised to minus 2 sin x minus 2 cos x x raised to minus 3. You know how do you write x raised to minus 3? 1 upon x cube you can write. X raised to minus 2 we can write 1 upon x square. So this is the answer. Okay. Nothing is there. First you keep the first term as constants. Differentiate second term. Take this product. Plus second term you keep constant and differentiate the first term. That is only very simple. Okay. And the last rule, the next rule is, you know what? Quotient rule. Suppose if it is in division, u upon v, then how do you differentiate? Got it? Next what? U by v. Y is equal to u by v. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx of u by v. So there is a formula. That is v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. This is the formula. If you remember the formula, the entire physics is very easy here. Okay. Whenever you need, we can apply here. But in detail, you need not go through all the problems here. But formula you remember and how to apply that only you should remember here. Okay, children? In maths next year anyway, you will study in detail the differentiation. Mathematics subject. Okay. So, what is the quotient rule? If y is equal to u by v, then dy by dx is given by v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. Let us study with the example. Once again, example here. So, what is the formula? The formula is like this. See here, quotient rule. If y is equal to u by v, then dy by dx, that is d by dx of u by v, is given by v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. Upon v square. So what is the example given here? Y is equal to u by y is equal to e raised to x upon sin x. Find dy by dx. Here u is e raised to x and v is sin x. Okay. So we write dy by dx is v. What is the value of v? Sin x. You know that. Into d by dx of e raised to x. No change. That is the formula. Direct e raised to x minus. What is u? E raised to x. D by dx of sin x is cos x. I have written upon v square. What is the value of v? Sin x whole square. Simplify this. E raised to x is common here. Sin x minus cos x upon sin x whole square. Once again I repeat this formula. Quotient rule is nothing but y is equal to u by v, then find dy by dx. It is very simple. v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. In the example, see, u is e raised to x. If you differentiate e raised to x, there will be no change. It will remain as it is here, e raised to x. And v is sin x here. So, applying the formula, u is first of all v du by dx. V sin x into du, d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x minus u e raised to x into d by dx of sin x is cos x. Cos x here. Okay, cos x. So, take the common factor e raised to x, sin x plus cos x upon sin x whole square. This is the formula. So, students, please go through NCERT book and any reference book here. Any book you take, practice these rules. All the three, y is equal to u plus or minus v, y is equal to uv and y is equal to u by v. Product rule, sum and difference rule and quotient rule. So at least if you do after watching this video, 5 examples, differentiation topic is very easy in physics. Okay children, all the best. See you. Bye bye.